How to fix file system error, -1073741795, in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. SFC is a utility in Windows that allows users to scan for corruptions in system files and restore them. Dism can fix Windows image issues. It can be run from Windows Recovery Environment, WinRE, if you can't open command prompt. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. The chkdsk utility scans your hard drive for errors and attempts to correct them. It can fix file system errors and bad sectors which might be causing the error. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Type Y and press Enter. Restart your computer. After a restart, Windows will begin to scan your disk. After your system boots back up, you can find the results in the event viewer. Select Keep My Files and Cloud Download. Next, pick whether you want to reinstall the apps. Click Reset. Your system will restart, and the process of Windows reset will begin.